my grandfather Nat founded the Tiffin Company, his philosophy was simple. Find out what the customer wants and give it to them. 2 years ago, we asked our engineers at Steadicam headquarters in Burbank to create the best electronic handheld stabilizer with no limitations. We took our Steadicam technology that's been used in Hollywood for the last 40 years and coupled it with Steve Wagner's genius software design. And by partnering with aerial drone manufacturer Unique, it allowed us to create the Steadicam Volt, the best electronic handheld stabilizer with no limitations.
The Steadicam Volt, like all its predecessors, is an expanded system with a center of gravity right at a gimbal. It accepts any phone, any case. That allows you to walk around, precisely frame the things that you want to see, and move the camera in the way that we're used to seeing on a feature film. It's an electronically gyro-augmented Steadicam for smartphones that weighs 1 pound with the inertia and the feel of a big 40-pound rig. Three-axis gimbals. They're not terrific at following action. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oop, there's a little lag there. The Steadicam Volt gives you stability and agility, and that's the key. The Volt effectively puts Steadicam technology in the palm of your hand.
Our mission has always been to help people create the world's greatest images.
How long can you make it without a cell phone? Why not ask someone else? Now, by mounting the cell phone to a smooth cue, everyone can make their own life movie. It perfects every moment you capture. Life is short when you are too busy to catch that moment. See, it helps you again. Life is always full of possibilities. And there are many versions of you. Challenges are everywhere. And the process itself is intriguing. Try a different angle. And start a new journey. Just like the magic wand to Harry Potter, so is the ZY Play to Smooth Q. It plays many magics, like this, and this. And if you want a wider vision, you can do this. Life is like a movie. We all play a part in it. Smooth Q. Move like movies.
Hey, I'm Hao, founder of Taro. When you want to capture your own stunning moments, auto tracking is critical. However, after trying out all the tracking stabilizers on the market, we found out there's a lot of room for improvement. It is too easy to lose sight of the target when the object is shaded or simply moving fast. That's where Taro comes in. Taro is an auto tracking device you can truly count on that will always keep you in the frame.
All you need to do is put on the infrared tag and leave the rest to Taro. Our tracking camera will instantly identify where the object is, and our AI algorithm will pinpoint it exactly at a blazing 30 calculations per second. That's 15 times faster than our competitor. Now with Taro, you can track objects moving as fast as 50 miles per hour. With Taro's zero lagging tracking feature, your object will be constantly locked in, even during very sharp turns. Taro's dynamic tracking works perfectly, even when you yourself are also moving fast, because it sees and captures fast-moving moments so smoothly, you won't even need to look at the screen. With 3 high-torque brushless motors counteracting camera shake, video jitters are now a thing of the past. And with our app, breathtaking action sequences, pictures, and videos are just a single click away. As a group of AI software engineers, we've poured our heart and soul into getting our prototypes just right. We are now so excited to be releasing not just one, but 3 devices. Taro T1 for smartphones and GoPros, Taro TX for DSLR cameras, and Taro M1, a separate tracking module that's compatible with all stabilizers. Whether you're a vlogger, sports freak, animal lover, or whatever, now, at last, you can put yourself in the frame and confidently capture every moment that matters.